Welcome back, my followers. I'm your host, Ricky Knoles, and this is another episode of Knoles CoolStuff. And today we are taking a look at the Vivo IQOO 7. Let's get into it. All right, so there you go. All the new specs for the IQOO 7, which is basically a sub-brand of Vivo's gaming division. Now, I'm very interested in it. It does have 120-watt fast charging, no wireless charging, but do you really need wireless charging if supposedly it can charge up to 100% in 15 minutes? I don't think you need that wireless charging. What else is pretty cool about it? Got that new touch sensitive screen for gaming. I don't know about that. I know BlackShark did that too, but I didn't really like it on the BlackShark all that much. I prefer the little trigger buttons on top, which they do not have no more. What else? Stereo sound on this. Right? I can tell right now, I listened to it a couple times when listening to music. The stereo sound by Monster. You know who Monster was? The original people who helped Dr. Dre beats. Sounds great. So far, plus it has this new Snapdragon 888. It has Android 11. It has the brand new Origin OS. All right, so this is one of the first ones with it, and it looks pretty cool so far, I can see. Nice, cool animation. If you want me to do a separate video on Origin OS for Vivo brands, let me know down in the comment. From right now, I can tell you it's pretty cool. Only thing I can't figure out is how to make a widget on it. I was playing around, but I've only had the phone a couple of days. So, all right, so Vivo IQOO 7, is it the right gaming phone for you? All right. it's up against some big boys with, the ROG phone, which I think is one of the best ones out there. Like I said, if I have to rank, I'll say ROG, BlackShark, RedMagic, and maybe Vivo IQOOs. But I never. This is my first Vivo IQOO, so I'm a virgin when it comes to it. So who knows? Maybe this move up from number 4 to number 3, number 2, number 1. We don't know. I will let you know when I get done testing it. All right. I'm your host, Ricky Knoles, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that like button. Hit the bell for notifications for new videos I drop every week, sometimes twice a week. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. All right. Until next time, my followers, be cool.